Hello dear traders and welcome to the YouTube channel of EA Forex Academy. I'm Petko Aleksandrov and I'm the head trader. Here you will find premium courses and tutorials about Forex, cryptocurrency and stock trading. And since you're looking for videos, I guess you want to learn how to trade with tested trading strategies, professional tools, strategy builders, expert advisors, portfolio of expert advisors. This is exactly what we are going to teach you here. We upload videos and free lectures nearly every day, so subscribe to receive all of our new videos. More, you can check out our website at eaforexacademy.com, where you will find professional online trading courses, and there is our forum if you'd like to ask any questions. Also, you can ask questions in the comments below each video. I personally answer all questions. Thank you very much for being here, and I hope to make you a better trader.